Ebusham for aha Ghana TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turning on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, look. The person MBA studio who the pamu chow time co. Yes, so TV blog now. They say expanding and more channels, any more news, more kind of say analysis. Eddie Bremo. The person MBA in entertainment aspect of a year show no. Now total cost me 25,000 Ghana cedis. Kakra wom. Ya how this so. Enti me. Mo na mbe boy. Na it is a plan. Eda go for na musani send no. Eda mo nyina ase. Kitwa bien so. Okay? The number is down on the screen. Can you take it and help us out? Now let's go and listen to this conversation. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
But ye nyansuo nti se aban bi bae e no be may be nyansuo a na wo be ka chemanfo na wo constituency ni se enye wo maame afianse na wo maame aba Honorable Sam George ye bisa so wo maame aba se unum nufuo de ye bisa se constituency no den na wo ye wo constituency nim mama de obi amanani enje ene me ko constituency mu me ko meeting ni ade constituency organizer no ordinance wo obi bia obeba o executive from polling station obeba the base no o say no why no create here mam asemese ni din constituency ni mam we adwuma den koso MPP ba MPP de amemu papa Bregana for Captain Smart. One say when you agree ase. O can be bia amanfo ni ntie bio because say one no kre no na o can say ya na muso mo beye because aban bi baye hweye bra voter hwe ni o ma wa bobọ so yenko constituency bi so de yenko constituency bi de yenfa nko regions. Now yeah, IMF report omo hwe sikasem so a baby a Ghana sika dunia de ye betoto yenhye omo say the oma papa aba from independent to 2026 no free senior school we Ghana ni a if you answer na make way enti say me wo ho na wayo simu kwakeka sansem na hami because ya benya aban bi a wabeyi amanfo afi sumu de aba han mu we Ghana ni na wani atia 16 good years o mampanyin kufo na memuo ene nanado danko kufo ado ene Dr. Baomi amemuo ni enhwe
me that's a solution back on bremo na de we she ya ma menom ne yire no ye wie ne de NDC asemi ba na obi akasa na voter ma me ra say enipa no ade e wo mu mo de yesa no nyame be kire back on yanko
Medasi, mama de. We de mama utu.
Oh, so you too.
Eni anu ma mo so nyina mchia mu nyina ni modwuma pa mobo. Na bra anu a okasa aye no. Voter chese wo masa wo yantete wo we voter ho. Nti na wo yesa no.
Because
who and you know when you be sad when you be in the to do. You cry watching you watching a camp we watching Mokra. We bruta, my chama. Now, any answer some over and be brave, so you support to bow me up, be brave. We be to say, AY, no money at the idea, support to bow me up. Now, a baby ba voter for no money baby.
Mejidi. Me twa no kwabna wouldn't say votarians no. Bebre no me UP4.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Rollins diabolic tactics no ne divide and rule no and no now create a problem. Votarians bebre no me UP.
Made entina MPP ni bia so man ani nda o koso jo mama o yusu sa tatis no
say no use the power Voice say they'll say I don't agree to that statement. Voice, and their statement now you don't agree, no. Kwabrian ko na Marcus fire bone.
Dear one background say. On NDC no, we are very diabolic. Bibi omu yebiano. So when you be out discernia into me home diabolic no. So we share we a John. The John President, we dem frame the John President. Ofe ni subanu a wa hwen sem o kan wo opposition. Utimi ka say MPP for ma ba omi akwan ma omma mbeye omuli data. O kan sasem we emphasize wo so say yenye ma ba omi aye di no ho agro keke. Eno na da no o ma kwatwetwe audio ni bi. Na nado ejina simpie su ka se ebra ba obi awini no ka se we sa ayi president no ye friend se ba ayi John Dramani Mahama ka se yen MPP for ye ma ba omi akwan mombe ye su leader na enye na o ma vote no ntu sa ye friends wa be fragbera no na NDC fo akotwitwa ade na siani se John your friends we nanado say yeah ma ba omi akwan mom be ye de ben leader because we not na yeah ayo du ene nam Fuseni di bi breme na mi si Fuseni wabodam wo yimi for in the history of Ghana Nanado is the only person on fat tribal way and find your juma on pesadie no apart from Nanado ko kan say your friend is saying omudin se ewo achimeri aho no ko ke kan se your friend is saying maami a nanse wo sha se kika mu your friend is saying onu su fi vote your friend is saying boni Anita di Soso
yeah di Soso
Anita
yeah, what they call kofa ngrofo so Nanado ka say your friend is saying all die be die. Hwede CSO4 any asofo solitaire Nanado. The same thing. Ena papa we ko kan say omono they were born in your friend is saying revolutionary ben. If it comes to this thing your friend is saying violent I said
when it comes to violence
and America no John Dramani man on the cast asem okay asem no bi enhu okondem
obama mu V8 not the omo
no so no ka say
not the omo go payroll so no acheche Ghana scam omodi
sa election ya ebe e do or die affair enye Mahama kro ya no ka say balawo nyono a
ono a
Inso fi kankan ye firi papa we enu pie nyasem ketwa nanso no asofo ni CSO nuni we omo no me problems say o me so omo de ya ye de ama me nso no because say hwe on asofo nyina ka o ma no atum galamse gusu koso amanie gusu koso say ye nya 4 million your friend is saying
Adakwa yadom yakoma niska 2 million Ghana cedi ebenezi adakwa yadom ni sister wu president Mahama akoma 2 million Ghana cedi
she say youth under 40 years enya kidney problems 4 million people in enya kidney problems 4 million she say youth no da hunya na enya yale Oti ho say wa hihye Mahama care na sa Mahama care mi bisa say friend is nkofo de ba health friend is health insurance ya de ba eno no ontumi nhemu kana na unya gisa okofa Mahama care ba se se nkofo wu ewu no amade nkofo wu ewu no nya adeketo a galamse we o how di Ghana for no omu opposition fensem om kan St. George say oye kosuko bo so oye football so oye
football I pump in the park so oye football
what we can say the government has all the apparatus So obetimi a stop your friend is galamsey within 2 weeks. She say already 1 year, a quarter 3 months in. So what are they doing now? She say then no more yeah. Oko kan almost say oh you do 1 year pe. Me wa house na na do betimi a stop within a year. Mama dey some crofo we want abre bia obeka omo bia na you are becoming more emotional. So betimi a dey ben. Di on my time year because of kwasiade omo kekan yenti.
Oh.
John President no nsɛm wɔ kan yɛ otumi di yɛn asɛm wɔ yɛ internal e de call outside ogina yɛ friend is saying Ghana no aka sɛ Ukraine we Russia to kwa no emfa yɛ ho hwee enika so a 6,000 kilometers afar just or a very contradictive person me who be that and Iran and one change Ukraine.
I'm not here. One number kilometers. No say ahe. Yes,
Iran and one change Ukraine.
Iran China there 7,000. Iran about over 9,000 kilometers.
Iran 9,300 kilometers. And Ukraine is 8,700 kilometers.
Hana dia nane dia wa. She said I didn't know war babeka say. Iran is going to can affecting.
Ochina kwaya to petrol so. Mohammed, I see you. Ochina kwaya to petrol so Ghana ochina.
Minka we na me fancy. MB before mama moninda ho. Mamundi ya di kan choose ye flag bearer. Me ebia na me support the ho no. But your friend is saying ayi na ohonum no so no ohonum oso si enyina ebetimi atena ne so nti so oso no nkrofo akwa chusu nipa ba ko si enyina ndi na chi a yenyina esi edi na chi me nkrofo bi ye the base maza we should condemn it in our certain things
we base condemn it ohonum
okay and the waka dia wa sansem hu sa na lanchremantin di we di bebe be hwie anwegu ye galem dinsem hu se say ono wa
and be committee no constituency chairman oka sa sem we obia ma nani nda ho osunu no eni na chi
me di politics achi fi 80s mu be si ne me yakotiani ye wo me wachim akotia na me fi me see MPP me nya na chidi da osun no oye logo ninti ko osun woni nyansa dodo ye kwa ye de yakọ yachi ye hihye ye niama na yaba you see Ghana for obi fed up with this NDC government you see o ma ye some person mo ti your friend is saying in Kenya no so 4% no muti we so e ndada Ghana for enche because we papa no wedi kan ka kire say your short memory the odi ye na ndada oba petisu within a year pe with a year be 1 month we oba sa to so oba to so che oba to so change ye odi mama na je say amamu ehu monya careful be say oba be to so pa because war na omukun we no Hamu your friend say Hamus we no your friend say we ran for ICZ no so America for intervene 20% of oil ni nyina beka ho nti ye ho be kire yen nti afe no so wa ho hwe dia John Dramani Mahama kan bia no edinachi ti se sasa no edinachi hwe amanie bia le kufu adu mu a Ghana fo etu ntesuogu no so no John Dramani Mahama ye beto afo na egu no so ndamase
kwamna wanu hwammo ni kasa Bra Marcus fire we na me mamu nyina good night and good evening my bre o ma me ko
yeah can say but debia makade MPP or the Asian BBF politics you know brother Volta asam na ekeno Abraham Maslow I think in 1943 or so developed a theory to understand the motivation of human beings. Inti people who know no Maslow's theory of motivation or Maslow's theory of human need. Eshuma one more think inyama enum a omanyimpa yede hwadena yede bobra. And it is good for politicians, for MPP to understand the voting pattern of places like Volta region. Apart from the place being ideologically inclined to NDC, we can maximize our vote from that area if we also become strategic. Maslow say, nyimpe bia no nyama bi no hwe ho no de bobra. And basically they are the physiological needs. Physiological needs, you know, ochede nyama nketinketi bi na nyimpa hwe ho na wode bobra. And human beings are driven by 5 levels of needs. Into physiological, safety, esteem, self-actualization. Now, many parties there. Individuals must first satisfy the lower level deficiency needs before ascending to the higher levels. Into ibiti there, ediban, shelter, clothing. Se nyimpa no or lack the menya baby obada na dena. They don't think about major projects. Into MPP may develop infrastructure in Volta region, but the needs of the people basically are so basic that stadium na ekisi wo hono people cannot really relate to and know the relevance of it. Inti oroto na ba onyo no ho na oboshe no that aba. Inti se NDC force saw agbelema magina de no what they come on na. You may think it does not make sense, but obia oti hiemunu, those things are relevant to that person than who wrote the bia ekwekutwa wo hono. Another school be na ema na baroko no, because school no for so no oya debi ndama bi no obohu, but obia komedi na gari cap kurumpo no onyi anede onyi na brabom na origin ma number obedi ho no, so be brand gari cap okra immediately they appreciate it. I have always maintained that MPP policies must be structured in such a way that, so if we are talking about digitalization, it must stay in Accra, East Legon, and those who understand the relevance of it. We should not worry ourselves yankaka policy assembly oho. Yempe sika yadeboto gari. Yempe sika yadeboto cement. Yempe sika yadeboto plastic chairs. Yempe sika yadeboto ntabo. Ekwukrasi obi wo ho a ope shed cocoa growing areas no ope shed apata oba hata ne cocoa wo ho. Eko na ekachaman na ekade eto abamo ho na you are going to build those shed na wabo ho mo wadai won kokwa. They can relate to it better than menyo back to school. You are talking about scholarship and yensia over the years no NDC for they are beating us to it. And NDC for no IT the wombo brebia, but they will go to this hinterlands. Wako to top plastic chairs. Wako mona petishi. Na winyaba no. Na yensu yetina na yekabro fakesi. And we don't understand why adwene papa ye wo madam nkrofo nyina no. Wanto abene mehen. 2028 Dr. Baumia mpanyimfo a wo Mama Dr. Baumia Nkwasefi, no on Kaka, how he's going to bring a credit score. Now, they won't understand you.
Marcus, the Mukaka said Doctor writing a manifesto. Inti Sanya Omaya abroad, Munina Muntrobi. Appear to Braquabra, Obian Trobi voter, and now one mama yes sad Dankasa. Obian Trobi, Namun Fanko. Omo be pense mo be bi aka ho ne wo ka ho hia wo ka obi badwe say oh and that 21st century that be asese wote de wo kan se Marcus mete wase a wo pese wo che community bia na wo Ghana na omo to aba no yenti wo mo aho hia mo na say
asitinem yes won aho hia their pressing needs adia o hia wo no yen hwe na yen ka ho asam na yen gye de yedi manifesto ni yedi betina kra na ya adwen how to develop Ghana as a whole because me krase no nyama wadwene wo ho no onya flyover sinali no akra no they really don't care they wo fly over no
sorry would you one now be conclude amaye wie na wonim eya na MPP for excuse me ye ka bibi ana mo de banche ne agbele mabramo no mato aba
yeah
the magic bramo no mato aba ye de bento abramo ye ka o but the important of it is that the people also like it, they need it. Enti me say ye sama wo mu wie na mo wo ba wo ye sama wo no na wo develop wo mo kakra na wo education kakra
exactly
na wo di na bi ko ho na ba ncha gbele ma ye de be ma wo eno de eye aduane sabe no no pe no so de be ka banku ana asa gbele ana kokonte na wadi na ebe support na ye nyama wo Marcus am with you na mo ye no near the free education na sabe shemu kena near exancho wonya we nyina mo sa educate mo yesra mo nko school na daache no musumunya baabi nsi na eguso de ka na fe important thing so bi mo a Marcus me say we dey me dey so we dey no so say MPP yen hwe baabi a ye strong votes wo any baabi a ye timinya voter 3 regions per the embeba power no development be a here so ye channel nko ho nyanye ho yie mo makoma nto mo yam na bato so o mabeto aman Marcus me da ase
mama de asam na American ankasa no ehwana na make you see development must be structured takrade a na you are talking to takrade about digitalization, about road infrastructure, about 3-tier. They can relate to it and they will vote for you because they really understand what you are saying.